Signs that you are not ovulating as a lady. Now listen, for the fact that you are menstruating does not guarantee you that you are ovulating. Some women might actually think that since they are menstruating automatically that they are also ovulating. My dear, it doesn't work that way. Now, one of the signs that can be indicating that you are ovulating is what? Increase in cervical mucus. Now, let me tell you something. If you are a woman and you are in this period, you will be seeing some kind of, your ovulation, your fertile period, you will be seeing some kind of cervical mucus, like a kind of whitish discharge that will always be coming out from your V-port. If you are not seeing your own, my sister, that means you are not ovulating, because that mucus you are seeing is an indication that you are in your fertile period, which is your ovulation period. Then the next one is what? Ovulation cramps. Now listen, most women, like 70% of women, they do experience this kind of ovulation cramps, which is an indication that they are fertile. The next one is what? Increase in knacking drive. As a woman, during this period, your body could just be sweet you could just like, check, I want to knock, I wish my man is here, like, or maybe I'll be going to see my man. You always want to see your man, guy, he did haps, I want to come, my dear, and knocking the hungry baby, so once you are in this period, like in your fertile period, you always be feeling this kind of, knacking drive. You always want to knock because there is an increase in your estrogen and your progesterone, So when you are always feeling this kind of a thing, or that period you're actually feeling this kind of a thing, my sister, it is not your fault. It is just a clear indication that you are in your fertile period or your ovulation period. Then the next one is what? Positive ovulation kit. As a woman, you need to have this, one by it. It will help you to indicate when you're ovulating. It will help to indicate when you're ovulating, at least for you to know when to knock and when not to knock. Because I know that most women that are not looking for kids or they are not looking for a child, they won't want to knock in their ovulation period. So, and the last one is what? Light spotting. When you are in this period, most women will be experiencing something like, light stain in their pint. They'll be seeing something like light stain or blood, and they'll be like, oh, it seems like my message is about to come out. No, your message is not coming out. What you're seeing is an indication that you are ovulating. So you as a woman, if you are seeing all these signs that I just mentioned in this video, congratulations, you are fertile. Yes, you are productive. But if you're a woman and you're not seeing any of these signs I just mentioned in this video, please go and visit your doctor. Go and report yourself to the doctor so this problem can be sorted out. So this is all I have to share with you guys in regards to this video. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and do well as to share with a friend if you got value. For all my returning subscribers and followers, this is Prince TV Global saying thank you. See you guys in the next one.